So I'm often asked, Jeff, what's the benefit of the workshops that you give at Lawyers with Purpose, but not the benefit to the firm or not the benefit to the attorneys or to the practice, but rather what's the benefit to the community? And I got to tell you, there's a lot. There's a lot of misinformation out there, a lot of misinformation by lawyers, by accountants, by advisors, and they mean well. They really do. There's no question. But coming to one of the LWP workshops is going to teach you the actual rules and how they really apply, not what people think. And you're going to hear stories and you're going to hear things that are going to keep you engaged, but it's real stuff and it's really important. And what it does for the community is it provides real information, the truth about what you have to hear, but in a fun, engaging way that also gives you an opportunity to get to know the Lawyers with Purpose team member or the attorney who is giving the workshop, but to know them in a different way. Not to know them in some formal setting where they're stuffy or kind of on guard, but just to get to know them as a person, get to know their family, and get the truth about estate planning and elder law. And you're going to learn stuff that you probably never knew existed, you probably didn't know could actually happen.